Hello, today guys, I have another channel called Jamie the Boss, yeah, so I'm playing football. Watch this. In, pretty good, dab, if I can even dab, yep, going to try to do kick. I damn it so hard. I swear it's so hard. You watch this. Okay. Over here. Oh no. Sorry. That's my gaming chair. There's my PS4. There's my PS4 cell. Yeah, and there's my TV. That's what I perform with in things. Yeah, and that's the film. So yeah. Oh my god. Look how that goes. Too good. I'm literally too good. I'm too good for anything. Oh yeah, this beast. But see someone on the street, bang! See someone on the street with this, I'd be like, and then I saw this person, like, yo, I'm just chill. I would be like, bah! Bah. If you ask him where is the ball, it's that little green thing down here. Show you this. Because that literally landed. Oh yeah, that's my iPad. Oh no, that didn't work. This is my toy gun. Pow. I'm goofy. And this is 3D puzzle, Eiffel Tower, lights up, and everything. Look. Oh, lights up. That's English and American. What is it right now? And that word. So yeah, this is French. There you go, because that's actually your building right down there. German. Oh yeah, there's my little cat. Where was I? Yeah, there. Italian, my French quarter Italian. Spanish, if you're Spanish. Portuguese, like Ronaldo, Poland. Where Petr Cech from? Where's Argentina? Yeah, oh, okay. So they're all the last thing up. But that's what I'm going to make in a later video. Maybe. Oh yeah. Some of these are toys. I got Jesus. What just fell? I just looked. Sorry about the stuff.
But legend David Bowie passed away.
Okay.
I just feel
turning that down. These are some stuff I'm going to review right now because I can. I want to. This little guy. Yep. And then this has this little rope. And then these guns, and it's a car. This is my little Steve at Minecraft, yeah. If you see me do any video, I've got a creeper head. Because, wait, where's the head? Where's the actual head? There, and then, all the body parts. It's a body to that. That would go like that. It's supposed to be like that, that would be the creeper, so yeah. Got that creeper, and I don't want to set it. And here's a play mat for a little sledge with some stuff in. Oh yeah, and I did a review of this. Watch this. Bam! Them skills. Oh yeah, that's my sick Christmas tree. Jam. Oh yeah, and this little one I got for my birthday. The Stegosaurus. And this is a book or something. So yeah, this is sick. And I'll show you a bit of my Lego thing. This is just a bit of a toy with me. Look, this a race body with a helmet, black helmet, and this policeman with a robber's head on, and some black legs. Rhino. Oh yeah, the BFG DVD. Boom! Look at that Santa. It's wrapped down because when they look at me, that's me. Yeah. And I'm not going to show you the rest because that's a family. I found Dory and some more Lego figures. I've got hooks. I've got hooks somewhere down there. He's somewhere. I know he's somewhere. This is a little police thing. What made it actually sick. Look, policeman in there. But then look at the sides. Bang, bang, and it sits perfectly. Even have a look. It's not even one bit doubted. That's actually disguised. If you take this police bit, that's so disguised in the mountain. But I like with the police thing on because it doesn't look dull. Because I got the police thing out, the police set, and this is the same set as the Stegosaurus came in. So yeah, dinosaurs. Look, that's a face detail, but then look at that painting. I've got to. This is a fire for the zombie. Literally, this is fire for the zombie. But what I'll find, rail for skating on. Forget tech deck. So yes, some of that. Oh, here's the zombie. Here's that zombie. Here's the zombie. Look, fire comes out there. Fire comes out his head. Told you. That's my rail. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and this wolf. Look, and then I can use the tail. And look. And look at him. I'm going to call this Benjamin. Jeff. Oh yeah, and then you can see, look. This to get the wool off. Oh yeah, and I didn't show you the skill. The skill. A figure. It's so detailed. She's got the pink hair and everything, and the boobs. So yeah. Slippery sick. Oh yeah, I've already shown you that I have a knife. Oh yeah, this is what the diamond one came with, diamond blocks. So I think you should get that. Look, my cat's just here. Oh my, no, it didn't work like that. Sorry, let's see. Oh yeah, this is a this is a real Stegosaurus. Look, bang, ah, dun dun dun. Look, oh yeah, this gorilla, King Kong brother. Where is the king? Oh yeah, some hay down here. Hay brick. I'm sure King Kong's there. No. Oh, here's a wolf again. Oh no, I'm sure. No, that's the stupid Steve. Here, that's Steve. I'm sure. Oh yeah, and I've got this tank. And this. one with the little baby on. Aww. So cute, isn't it? Yeah. And then this little piggy. So that's it for the video. I'm going to put my dad. Say bye!
Bye!